How to delete all saved Instagram posts at once. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application. And what we're gonna do first is we're gonna save a post first. So let's say this post, let's say save that one. So here under that post, under that post here, you will see this banner. Click on that and it will automatically be saved to your saved post area. So where to find our saved post? So on the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options there. Go to your profile. And then on the upper right, you'll see 3 dash lines. Click on that. And then you will see here the banner and says saved. Click on that and here you will see all your saved posts. So to be able to delete all saved posts Instagrams so to be able to delete all saved Instagram posts at once, so what you're gonna do is on the upper right again, you'll see 3 dots. Click on that, and then here you will see select. Click on select, and here on the upper right again, you will see select all. Click on select all, and then on the bottom part, you will see unsave. Click unsave and just confirm unsave there. So basically, that's how you delete all saved Instagram posts at once, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.